So we just got this Badger 1 InSinkErator, the garbage disposal here, and it's supposed to attach really easily, and I'm just showing you what we just took out of the box. The box is empty now, but like there's the part for the drain, and there's the elbow and gaskets and stuff, and there's the little manual that tells you how to do things, and of course it comes apart into many diagrams and pictures. And then here's the garbage disposal itself, and it's supposed to have these easy clip things on it and stuff, but it's the, I think it's the 1/3 horsepower. Is that what it was? Yep, I think it's the 1/3 horsepower, and the Badger, yep, 1/3 horsepower Badger 1, and we'll see about getting that installed here. But that's how it comes in the box, and there's, you can see the power cord is just wrapped around there right now. But anyway, yeah, so that'll be interesting to try and get that set up here, but we'll try that, and but that's what's in the box anyway.